Check it out, folks. We are here at Burlington's Fall Harvest Market, and it's just at the intersection of Waterdown Road and Plains Road here in Burlington, and we're just entering right now. So there's free parking here, and it's free to do, and they have a lot of stuff going on, so check it out with us. I'm here with the family, so Dorothy and Sweet Pea. And this is what it looks like.
Before we let you go, make sure you enter into our giveaway. We're going to be picking a winner in just a second.
All right, you heard her. Give it up for Eva. We're going to do a lesson. Make some noise, guys. Great job. And to yourself, we're going to draw a winner right about now. So if you have your chance to fill out a ballot, it's right here. If you haven't, we'll give you 10 seconds. We're going to draw a winner right now. And it's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And the winner is...
I'm still seeing these empty coins, so I want everyone to have a fair shot. So we're going to give you a couple more seconds, about 30 seconds, before we pick our winner. Make them count. 30 seconds. 25, 24, 23. Enter those into that giveaway. Don't be shy. If you need a ballot, we still have some up front. Okay, here they come. 10 more seconds. 10, 9. It's gonna be the slowest 10 seconds. 8, 7.
All right, so if you don't know what you're winning a membership to any of our studio locations for the month. So the value at $150. So if you want to fill that out, you can visit us. We got salsa bachata,
Got some Vietnamese barbecue skewers over here.
soca, line dancing, whatever you got, we got it for you. All right. And if you want to follow
This place is called Skew Dat. Dorothy looks pretty interested in this.
I'm reading the sign for addictive crack sauce.
Oh, yeah, I just saw this, guys.
Santos. Hey, congratulations.
It says addictive crack sauce.
We got more. So
Do with that what you may.
at 6 o'clock, we'll be back for more dancing. Thank you once again.
Over here they have face painting, as you can see. And here's the line for the face painting.
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Street Eats Market, and Soul to Soul for the dance lessons. We'll be back at 6 o'clock for more.
They got some photo booths over here, and also a burger spot. And then behind me here they have a street corn spot. So it's just a bunch of vendors.
Clap your hands.
and Sweet Pea decided to do some pumpkin paintings. Check it out.
Starting off with a nice, lovely blue. We're probably gonna do the sky because Ari loves blue. That's her favorite color. All right, baby, you wanna help me with the bottom here? The whole point is to get a nice, even coat to start, okay? There you go. Look at that empty patch. You gotta fix that. There you go. All right, Bubs. I think this looks pretty blue to me.
Left, right, left, right, left, and now what I want you to do is cross like that as you take your second step. Yeah, so it goes like this. You go right, back, right, and tap. Left, back, left, and tap. All right, let's have full speed. You guys got this. Here we go. To the right, we go 3, 2, 1. And right, left, right, and left, right, left, and right, left, right, and left. Now give me a little bounce there. Down. Yeah. Don't be shy. Hey.
That's gonna be it for this video. We're here at the Street Eats Fall Harvest Market here at Burlington, Ontario. And that's just right at the intersection of Plains Road and Waterdown Road. It's pretty cool. It's free to do. There's free parking here. They have washrooms here, and it's just a bunch of stuff to do for autumn. They have pumpkin painting. They have a lot of food vendors, and they also have a bunch of things that you can do in terms of like dancing. They're doing dancing right now as I speak, right in front of me. You can do basketballs with the kids. You can do a bunch of things here. Come check it out. They're only gonna be here for another couple weeks. Definitely something to do here in Burlington, Ontario. So we're gonna see you in the next video. Take care and peace out.
We go. Heel and go.